I always say the same thing to parents. If your child looks great and they're running around and having a great time and they happen to have a temperature that's a fever, don't treat it. I mean,
Yep.
as you kind of said, the general understanding is that a fever is a positive thing, that it is, a part of the body's response to fighting off an infection, and it has positive benefits. But of course, the flip side of that is if your child is clingy, not wanting to drink anything, clearly looks uncomfortable, is shivering, doesn't look like they're having a good time, please treat the fever. We will believe you when you come in and say your child has a fever. We will. And so we certainly never want a child to be uncomfortable with the symptoms. And it's hard, I think, for us as adults to remember that, because in adults we don't get fevers very often, and so you forget how crummy it feels
Yeah.
when you do have a fever. And we certainly don't want any child to have that discomfort either. So if your child has a fever and they look like they're uncomfortable, please treat them.